having these fake wines which I got from Amazon, and these are really of very good quality, and these are something like this, and wait, I will show. So I will be putting these wines over my bed, and yeah.
You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up. Yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah, without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all.
So to cover the wire, I just put it one of the wire right here, so that that wire will not be visible. And yeah, I also put it one of the wine here on my mirror, so I think so it's looking nice. And yeah, I am really happy with the result, how these wines are looking. And I got this bench and I painted it white, and मैंने इसे यहाँ इसलिए रखी so that मैं यहाँ पर अपने वीडियो शूट कर सकूँ. एंड अभी मैं ये पूरा एरिया थोड़ा सा डेकोरेट करने वाली हूँ, तो लेट्स गो. So I'm having few posters which I painted a long time ago, and I will be sticking them over my study table. Yeah, let's.
lots of printouts, colorful printouts with me, and these are all aesthetic pictures. And I got these pictures from Google, Pinterest, and I've collected them from there. And yeah, now I will be making a aesthetic wall collage using these print.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another
So now I will give you guys the final tour of this room, and yeah, let's go. today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video because मैंने तो बहुत enjoy किया इस वीडियो को शूट करने में, प्लस मुझे अपने रूम को डेकोरेट करने में बहुत ही मज़ा आया एंड दिस इज़ लाइक माई ड्रीम कम ट्रू बिकॉज मुझे इस टाइप का रूम बहुत टाइम से चाहिए था एंड नाउ ये बहुत ज़्यादा एस्थेटिक वाइब दे रहा है एंड लाइक आई कांट इवन से कि ये बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है एंड सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे ये वॉल कोलाज अच्छा लगा एंड या सो आप लोग भी मुझे कमेंट करके बताओ कि आप लोगों को मेरा ये रूम ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कैसा लगा. एंड इफ यू गाइज आर न्यू टू माई चैनल देन प्लीज subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and also to follow me on Instagram. I will link it in the description. So bye bye, we'll meet you guys in my next video.